Hello dear students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's start our today's online session of Standard 9th Mathematics. And today in the Unit 13 Surface Area and Volume we will see solutions of the exercise 13.4. So let's see the solutions and how to solve the different types of questions. See here. Exercise 13.4. In the first question, we have to find the surface area of a sphere of radius, that is radii are given here. Three different questions are given of radii 10.5, 5.6 and 14 centimeter. Now what we have to do? We have to just use the formula for surface area of the sphere, that equals to 4 pi r square. Substitute the value of pi, that is 22 by 7, and r square means 10.5 into 10.5. Calculate it correctly and then write the unit of the area, that is centimeter square. In this easy way you can solve the problems and find the surface area of the sphere. Dear students, the same way you have to find the surface area for the remaining two radii, that is 5.6 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Calculate it correctly. In the next question, here again we have to find out the surface area of the sphere, but the difference is here the radius is not given, diameter is given. So it is very easy to find out the radius from the diameter. We have to divide diameter by 2 to get the radius. So D is 14 centimeter. Therefore, radius r equals to 14 by 2 centimeter, that is 7 centimeter. Again, use the same formula as we have to find out the surface area of the sphere, 4 pi r square. Substitute the values 22 by 7, that is value of pi, and r 7 centimeter, and then calculate it. The answer is 616 centimeter square. In this way, you have to calculate the remaining two questions, but calculate it correctly. Now see here again the same question, but here we have to find the total surface area of the hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. So what is the formula for hemisphere? The formula for hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Substitute the values, calculate the answer. Now here in the next question, spherical balloon radius increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter. We have to find out the ratio. Ratio means division. So we have to find out two surface area for both the radii, that is 7 and 40 centimeter, and then we divide it. No need of calculation because while dividing 4 and pi gets cancelled. So your sample calculations you can get the answer as 1:4, that is 1 by 4 means 1:4, because we have to write this in the form of ratio. A hemispherical bowl of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Now here again the diameter is given. So to calculate the radius, we have to divide diameter by 2, that is 5.25 centimeter. Now inner surface area of the ball is 2 pi r square. Substitute the value. We get the answer as 173.25 centimeter square. For 100 centimeter square, rupees 16, and therefore cost of tin plating is 16 upon 100 into 173.25, that is rupees 27.72 is the answer. Now here you have to find the radius of the sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter. So again we have to use the surface area of the sphere, that is 4 pi r square. 154 put as it is a surface area. Calculate the value of r. R square is 7 into 7 upon 4 and therefore r is 7 by 2. You have to take the square root and that equals to 3.5 and therefore the radius of the sphere is 3.5 centimeter. Now the diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of their surface areas. Now here we have to take the diameter of the earth as d, that is d is nothing but the 2r, and then the radius of the earth is what? R. Diameter of moon is 1/4, means diameter of the earth divided by 4, that gives you r by 2. So the radius of the moon is again diameter divided by 2, so that is r upon 2 multiplied by 2, that is r by 4. Now we have to calculate the surface area of the moon. So the formula is 4 pi r square. Now what is the radius of the moon? R by 4. So in place of radius we will write r by 4 whole square. Calculate it. The answer is given. Now surface area of the earth is what? 4 pi r square. Now take their ratio. Calculate it. Calculation gives you the pi r square gets cancelled. So the answer is 1 upon 16. That is 1:16 is the ratio of their surface areas. In this way, without putting values, if you have to find out the ratios, we don't have to calculate it actual value. Leave it pi as it is because it gets cancelled. A hemispherical ball is made of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. The inner radius of the ball is 5 centimeter. Find the outer cut surface area of the ball. Now inner radius of the ball is 5 centimeter. Thickness is 0.25 centimeter and therefore thickness plus inner radius gives you the outer radius of the ball. So it is 5.25 centimeter. Now for outer cut surface area we have to use the outer radius. Use the formula 2 pi r square, substitute the values and calculate the answer. Now here a right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. See here. We have to find out the surface area of the sphere, cut surface area of the cylinder and ratio of the areas obtained in 1 and 2. It's very easy. Radius of the sphere is nothing but the radius of cylinder. Height of the cylinder is nothing but the diameter of the sphere, because if you see the figure, diameter and height of the cylinder are same because sphere is encloses in the cylinder. So its height is 2r. Surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. CSA of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. But h is what? 2r. So in place of h we will substitute 2r. So it gives you 4 pi square and therefore the required ratio of 1 and 2 is same, that is 1 by 1. So the answer is 1:1. In this way, dear students, by substituting the values given and using the correct formula, we can get the answer in an easy way. Only you have to remember the formula which are asked here in different questions.
Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.